Hey there guys, I'm the Bento Buster and we're making cookies, ginger and molasses cookies. Let's get started. First things first, I hope you're taking notes because these cookies are keepers. Using a hand mixer, beat the grated ginger and the butter for 2 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. Now blend in the white and brown sugar and the salt. Drizzle in that gooey molasses and the vanilla and incorporate it all together. Okay, now it's time to sift in the flour, cocoa, and spice mixture. When you're making these cookies, your sensory perception is heightened. Just look at the ingredients, it's got pepper and cardamom amongst all things. The aroma is phenomenal. It'll take you to heaven and back a couple of times. So prepare yourself because that's one heck of a culinary ride. This stage can be both satisfying and therapeutic. Just keep on mixing it until it gets thicker and it starts to look like this. Okay, I have a quick question. Look at what we've got here. Now, are you having a flashback to your high school art class? I think you are because so am I. Now cover the bowl with saran wrap and make sure that it's airtight and put it in the fridge for a minimum of 3 hours. This can actually stay in the fridge for up to 5 days. Once your dough is rested, you can take it out and roll the cookies into 60-gram balls. Next, coat the cookie dough in the sugar, then flatten them out a little bit like this. Now you can heat up the oven and put your cookies on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Finally, sprinkle them with some sugar and then it's time to bake. Bake the cookies for 11 to 13 minutes depending on your oven settings, and they should turn out like this. These are some of the best cookies that you're ever going to make, apart from your grandma's of course. They look the part and the aroma is truly phenomenal. Enjoy guys, enjoy. Thanks for watching. I'm the Bento Buster. I'll see you next time when the Bento Buster rides again.